This is the recipe. Today we are going to prepare. This is poha without onion and garlic. Hope you will like the journey. Let's start. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to share with you a very superb recipe which is very healthy, simple and easy to prepare. Let's start. So now I will show you the ingredients. I have taken 1 bowl of poha. This is medium thick poha and few raw peanuts, olive oil, salt, black pepper, turmeric. This is mustard seeds, tomato, 1 potato and green chili. Let's prepare. First I will wash this poha using this strainer. So I will put the poha in this and wash it using 2 to 3 glasses of water so that poha will absorb some of the water and some of the water will come out from this strainer. Let's start. So I have taken 1 bowl to wash the poha and to strain the water from the poha. Let's add poha in the strainer. Let's stir the poha and just stir it to see the water is reached to all the poha, and I will add water again. Keep the poha for 10 minutes and we'll start the second process. Now we will chop the tomato, potato, green chili and groundnuts into the small pieces. Let's start. We are going to prepare our poha in this Wonder Chef kadhai. Let's do the wonder in this Wonder Chef kadhai. Now we will add 2 spoons of olive oil. We'll switch on the flame. Now I will add 3/4 spoon of mustard seeds. We'll wait for 1 or 2 seconds for a good temperature till this mustard seeds gets roasted and starts popping out. Now we will add the chopped green chilies. As you see, green chilies are fried now, and I will add the chopped groundnuts and we'll let it roast for a second. So the groundnuts has been roasted and turned golden brown, and it starts giving very nice aroma, and I will add the chopped tomatoes. Let's add a chopped potato. Mix everything well. So I will add 1.5 spoon of salt. 3/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Let's mix everything well. And I will keep it for 2-3 minutes. I will cover it with lid. Covering it with lid. Now the 5 minutes are over. I'll take the cover lid out and stir it up. I'll just mix everything and we see that potatoes are being completely cooked as I'm able to break it. So now I will add the poha in this. So as you see, our poha has become very soft and it has absorbed the water. So now I will add in the kadhai. So after mixing it, I will cover it with lid for 2 minutes. So our poha is going very soon, it's going to get ready. I will show you once it is done. Let's open the lid and see. Now I will add 3/4 spoon of black pepper powder. I will mix this black pepper powder in this and switch off the flame, and now I will again cover it for 2 minutes. So this is my Prestige OTG. If you want to see my experience with this OTG, please comment below. I will make the video of this. So after 2 minutes, I'll take the lid out, and now you see our poha is ready. Our soft and fluffy poha is ready now. It's ready to eat. And then one bowl of poha, and it will serve 2 people. So this is our final dish. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.